Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to log into the Happn dating app on your smartphone. Happn is the most popular dating app for young people around the world. It's a very simple process, so we'll guide you through how to log into the Happn dating app. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet, and download the Happn app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, find the app on your phone and tap on the app icon to launch it. So this is the homepage of the Happn dating app. Here you can see the two options to log in: connect with Google and connect with Facebook. First of all, you need to sign up to create a new account in this app using one of these options. And once you have already created your account, you can log into this app. You can create your account using Google or Facebook account and use that credential to log in afterwards. So I created my account previously with Google account, so I'll tap on connect with Google. I use my first Gmail to create that account, so I'll tap on it. It is asking me if I want to enable my location, so you can choose accordingly, and there you go. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account. So logging into Happn is very quick and easy whether you choose your Facebook or your Google account to sign up. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.